Y'all comment down below and let me know how y'all like this wig. Hey YouTube, what it do? It's your girl Chatty Shay and I'm back with another video. So y'all, on today, I'm going to be hanging out with my daughters. We are going to be going to the hair store because they only use me when they want rides. But I decided to wake up on this fine Tuesday, or is it Wednesday? I think it's Tuesday. I decided to wake up on this fine Tuesday and make them breakfast, although it's late in the evening. So it's more so like a brunch. But let me show y'all what I got going in the kitchen. Okay, so I have some egg waffles, turkey bacon. This is cream of wheat brown sugar. And these right here are what we call bakes, which is like an island thing. So it's simply just flour, sugar, cinnamon, milk and water. And I use milk. I use oat milk. So I'm just flipping these. I'm going to turn my heat off because the heat is booming. Yeah, those are done. And my dishwasher is on. So this is just going to be another little vloggy vlog. So I'm going to just bring y'all along. So here's my plate, y'all. I got one waffle, 2 bakes. What is this called? A cream of wheat, and then 1 piece of turkey bacon. And then I have my Stanley here with diet iced tea. Shall we chow? Alright, y'all. So we are in the car. Well, I'm in the car. I'm waiting on the kids to come outside. I told them I was going to get in the car and start it. Y'all, it is 92 degrees today. And I got to put my earrings in my ear because I left these in the car yesterday. Sometimes I be getting irritated with earrings. And I have to take them out. And I did that yesterday. Oh, you're recording. I was like, you gonna go to the hair store like this?
Yeah, I'm getting my hair done.
Can you stick your hair right here? Oh my god, your hair is so thick. Okay, y'all, I just turned the air on. She caught me off guard. But yeah, we going to the hair store, y'all. So let's go. Okay, y'all, so we done made it to the hair store. Child, we done pulled up in the parking lot. They got on the pajamas with the bonnets and the slippers. Y'all, the hair store could get real ghetto, okay? It could get real ghetto. Real ghetto. You said what?
I threw out the bonnet.
Oh my. Y'all. Oh. I'm talking about them people and you just is get. It's ghetto around here too, y'all. Y'all, they're playing music in here, so I'm gonna mute this right now.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body rude is humble like don't be in the humble. Tell me is you down, cause I'm trying to go good tonight. When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body rude is humble like don't be in the humble. Tell me is you down, cause I'm trying to go good tonight. When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body rude is humble like don't be in the humble. Tell me is you down, cause I'm trying.
Okay, y'all, we are out the hair store. I couldn't really record in there because they were playing music, copyright music at that. But hopefully y'all saw that montage. Like, y'all, the hair store is not a real place. Well, this hair store is not a real place. This is more like a mall for hair. This is like a mall for hair. And also they have clothes and stuff. But anyway, we going back home. Okay, we are back in the house and we purchased a ginger wig that I'm about to go get out the bag and show y'all. So we're gonna install it to see what it's giving. So this is the wig, y'all. I paid $20 for this wig. So my plan is to install this wig, wear it for a couple of days to see how I like it. And then if I like it, I will go and purchase a human hair one that is a better quality. But y'all, the girl told me that this wig is 50% synthetic and 50% human hair. So it's like a master mix. So y'all, this is the wig. Smells like hair. And this is the front of it. And this is the lace, y'all. So I don't know. What is this called? Like a 13 by 6 maybe. And it has a deep part, y'all. Oh my God. Y'all. So it's 4-way parted. So like right here. Do y'all see? It's going across and then it's going down. So I'm going to actually leave it like this. I'm going to take my foundation and color the inside. I'm going to take this wig off. I'm going to put this wig on. We're going to come back and see what it's giving. So I put the wig on where I think it should go, y'all. Child, I don't know. And then I sprayed some Ebin on it to kind of hold it in place. So I'm going to take some tiny scissors and cut it. Let me come back. So this is how the wig look as it is, y'all. This is how I got the wig off the mannequin. I'm not quite feeling this, so let me take these pigtails down and do something that I would normally do. So I've been in here for about 20 minutes trying to get this to work because it was definitely giving Ronald McDonald.
Girl, bye. Bye.
However, I think we're making progress. So I did take a hot comb to it. And I was able to flatten the top because the top was a bit bumpy because it had those 2 pigtails there. So I think we're making progress. I feel like it's coming along. So we're gonna come back. Alright, y'all. So I attempted, because I am no baby hair guru. So I attempted to put some baby hairs in the hair, y'all. I actually like the color. I do think that I need to, so I am going to purchase a human hair one, and then I'm going to get it professionally installed because y'all, I think the install will make a huge difference. However, I am feeling it. Okay, your girl is feeling the hair. I just don't know if I am the right person to install a wig, but I do like the color. I like the curl on this wig. Like, I love this color, y'all. So I think we're gonna move forward with a human hair wig. Okay, so y'all comment down below and let me know how y'all like this wig. Anyway, y'all, I'm going to conclude this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend what your girl been doing on this channel. Until next time, bye, y'all.
What's happening to me?